Okay, so everyone has joined. So let us start the questions. Yeah, one more thing, just for for questions also. See, the human egg which is released, okay, the human female egg cell. Okay, so remember that the female always produces single type of eggs. So any of these eggs which will be of only one type. Sperms can be of two different types. Okay, sperms can be of two different types. Okay, so mainly when we talk about the human egg cell, okay, the female egg cell, it has only one single chromosome. So this ovum, I'm talking about this ovum, guys. I'm talking about this ovum. Okay, so this ovum will always have, the ovum will always be one type. That is, ovum will contain 23 chromosomes, and in that also can be referred as 22 plus X chromosome. So female always produces one type of eggs. So the each ovum will contain only X chromosome, one X chromosome, and 22 are rest of the chromosomes, and 22 are the other chromosomes. Okay, so whatever you talk about here, okay, each of this is referred. This is all 22 plus X. This from here onwards, this is all 22 plus X. Okay, while human male produces 50% as X chromosome containing sperms. Okay, while 50% as, so this is the female ovum is always like this. Male will produce 50% sperms will contain 22 plus X, so X chromosome, and remaining 50% sperms will contain 22 plus Y chromosome. So sex of a child depends on male chromosome, not on the female. Okay, sex of a child depends on male chromosome, not on the female. Because it depends, if this sperm will fertilize, then there will be girl child. If this sperm fertilize, then there will be male child. So got it? Ovum always contains what we call as the X chromosome. You should know that. Okay, so female egg will always be containing X chromosome. So the father sperms are responsible for sex of a child. So the father sperms are responsible for sex of a child. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to see this diagram. Okay, I'll take questions from whatever we have studied till now. Okay, so let's say over here you see this. Look at this thing. So you have to find out which is correctly labeled. This is the human ovary diagram. NEET may also they give this is a previously asked NEET question. So what are correctly labeled diagrams, guys? It give the options that been mentioned. So you should know what is this. See, what is this one? This is femre. This is what we call as infundibulum. No, yes or no, guys? Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is we have what will be this part?
Vagina.
With this part, cervix. Okay,
Cervix.
this is uterus body, uterus walls. No, that is the outer one will be over here.
Endometrium.
No, the inner one will be endometrium. Inner one will be endometrium. Then there will be myo, and then outer one will be what we call as perimetria. So you, what level you see over here in this? This is the innermost that will be endo, and then the second one that will be myometrium. Okay, so you should know each parts. They do not give ultra clear diagrams. NEET ની exam ના પેપરમાં આવા diagram આવે. Clear નથી આપતા. This is also asked frequently in good set. Okay, what will be answer over here? Last year also it was asked. The part of the fallopian tube closest to ovary is infundibulum, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be answer in this, guys? Anyone?
Fertilization.
Yes. You only get over if there is fertilization. So what will be in this case and this one? To identify this one. You have to identify
Primary.
this one. So that is there's a textbook diagram if you have seen.
Primary oocyte.
Primary follicle.
You see the options, guys. After graphene, it will form into corpus luteum. Yes or no? So what is correct with respect to function? So to choose correct, which is correct? This is correct. Now this is corpus luteum is correct, but it doesn't secrete estrogen. It secretes progesterone. So it is the properties one of the mat. Got it, guys? Or it is primary follicle? Or what will be? Or this one also is mentioned. What will be the answer, guys, over here? What had been mentioned? Anyone? See the textbook diagram. You might get an idea.
D.
Yeah, it will be corpus luteum, guys. It is correct answer is corpus luteum. So exactly it is corpus luteum. Just a moment. Just okay. So this is corpus luteum. That is the correct answer, guys. Okay, remember the textbook diagram. You'll get an idea. So they just do not give clear, ultra clear diagrams. They give very rough diagrams, black and white. What will be the answer, guys? Anyone?
D.
B. B.
Is it after this
B.
commentary or it is the second majoration division occurs when? 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 So is it after the release the from Graafian follicle, guys, or what? Or is it something else? Just now we discussed. Think, and then give the logic. What's the logic? Take a moment, think. So it is mainly when until it has been penetrated by a sperm. Then only it will get over, no? M2. Got it? Come on, guys. What is the answer? Anyone?
A.
A. Very good. After this commentary, but before the completion of it. will be answer over here. Come on, guys. Egg will always have. See, I had explained to you 1X chromosome. Remember, only it will have 1X chromosome. No. Can you answer this one? It is from male reproductive system. We have discussed it. Any idea?
A.
Mitochondria.
The middle piece will contain always what? A, mitochondria and centriole. Very good. Will be answer over here. Second respondent. How many are found? Two, guys. Yes or no?
2.
Yeah. What will be answer, guys? Which stage it will be liberated?
Secondary oocyte stage.
Exactly. Okay. So these were some of the questions from what we have covered. Okay. So I will send practice questions in tomorrow or today. You have to do it. I'll send it entire chapter wise. Okay. So I'll send entire PDF only in group. You can take print out and use it for practice. I'll also share this previously asked questions. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you are free to ask. This is all for today. This is all for today. I also sent theory questions, guys, from whatever we have covered till today. Okay, so for board. For board. So if you have any doubts, you are free to ask. Otherwise, we'll meet on Wednesday now.
Sir, have you uploaded these lectures on YouTube?
Because I had been uploading it long back. Yesterday's I have not uploaded, but before, prior to that, once I had uploaded. You are not going in the, you are not seeing in the WhatsApp. I'm also sharing the link. If you guys are not interested, then there is no point in uploading. Okay, I don't want it for views. Okay, I'm just uploading it for you.
Sir, actually, I have not.
You are not in group. You are
uploaded
not in
teacher.
group. WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Then I have already shared it. Okay, I have uploaded till female reproductive system. Okay, I have uploaded till then. Then last 3-4 lectures are remaining, which I'll upload by today or tomorrow. I'll upload it by today or tomorrow. Okay. I'll upload these remaining 3-4 last 3-4 lectures. Okay, by today or tomorrow, tonight or tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, guys.
Okay.